Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about adverbs. The term adverb is derived from Latin word adverbium, which acts as a modifier for verbs or verbal phrases. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb, or even a whole sentence. She sang loudly. Here, loudly modifies the verb sang. You are quite right. Here, the adverb quite modifies the adjective right. An adverb answers the question when, where, how much, how long, or how often. Here are some examples of adverbs modifying verbs. How? He ran quickly. When? He ran yesterday. Where? He ran here. How often? He ran daily. How much? He ran fastest. Adverbs frequently end in ly. However, many words and phrases and an ly ending is not a guarantee that a word is an adverb. The sprinter ran swiftly. Here, the adverb swiftly modifies the verb ran and tells how. I read the funny pages early on Sunday morning. The adverb early modifies the verb read and tells when. Jolene was comforting a very small child. Here, the adverb very modifies the adjective small and tells that to what extent. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.